Chef here, just finishing up another batch of this red chili. Oh yeah. So a quick contest. If anybody can guess all the ingredients I got in this big pot of chili here, I'm gonna send them a prize. How about a free knife? Would you like a free knife? Drop a comment below, list all the ingredients, and if you get it right, pow! The knife's in the mail. Hello, Chef here, working with some of this root today. Can you identify this root right here? This is turmeric. Turmeric is used in Indian cuisine and lots of different countries around the world like turmeric. Amazing health benefits. I'm just tossing together a batch of chili. Of course, I've got the garlic and onions and a lot of other things going in there, but I'm going to show you real quickly how to grate up this turmeric. You can peel it if you like. It's not necessary. I'm just going to grate it up like this. Wow. God, chef is fast. You see that? There's my turmeric. There we go. So this is going to be used in a chili. I know you're trying to wonder and you want to learn, how do I make turmeric chili? Well, just search this channel after you subscribe right here. Put in the word chili. You're going to find a whole bunch of recipes. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. And while you're at it, you're going to get a lot of practice and a lot of skills from all different things once you search the channel. Wow, interesting. This turmeric is looking really good. That was so fast and so easy. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Wow. Japanese knife versus onion. So simple. Looking for a small dice? I think I got it right there. Yep, look at that small dice. So fast, so easy. Get yourself one of these Japanese knives and you're going to be able to go, wow. So simple, so sharp. Chef's tip 1069. Right here, use a wooden spoon. It's not going to scrape your pot. It's safer, and wood kills bacteria. Great grandma used one. You should too. By the way, this was great Grandma Giovanni's favorite right here. I like it. Now one more thing. Chef tip 1070. 1071. Got a lot of tips going on here. Use the Dutch oven when you're making chili. You got more heat distribution, more surface area, more quantity. This is a 6.5 quart. I love it. It's huge. Huge. So I'm putting about 4.5 quarts of chili in there roughly. There's several different kinds of beans in here. I got the turmeric. I got a couple kinds of meat. But like I said, if you want to learn how to make amazing chili, subscribe, search the channel, just put the word chili in there to find the chef's chili. There's a whole bunch of them. Alright, this one's going to be really good. And you can piece it together too. Find yourself a chili recipe on the internet, come back, watch some of the chef's tips. Oh wow, now you're cooking. We've got all kinds of stuff in here. I would say I've already got about 40 ingredients. Garlic, onions, turmeric, turkey, pork, several kinds of beans, 5 different chili powders. Wow, it goes on and on and on. Smells so good. Oh yeah. I'll be back with more. I'm expecting you to subscribe, search the channel, and start learning. Excellence in every bowl. Wow. It's gonna be good. Yeah. Subscribe right here. Search chili on this channel and learn some of the recipes from the chefs. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. I'll be serving this with some shredded cheese, sour cream, and a garnish. Wow. Oh, yeah. More salt. That's how he likes it. Please like, share, subscribe. Follow us right down there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Okay, that right there is a perfect chopped basil. In one of the kitchens with one of these cutting boards, and almost every week or bi-weekly people ask me, Chef, how do you clean that cutting board? So that's what I'm gonna touch on here right now. So this is a rock maple board. It's reversible. It's 20 by 15 by 2 1/4, and it's one of these. Really good quality here. I like it. This one's been used for a long time, maybe more than 6 or 7 years, I think. So as it gets dirty, we're using the bench scraper to scrape it off, just like this. Any residue that's left, you can just put on a paper towel and you can see it right there. Okay, towel dry it, that's good. All right. Oh, by looking at this, the board's getting a little bit dry. It's ready for an application of mystery oil. There's another product, a little thicker, that has a little more beeswax. That's the board cream. Good stuff. Shake it up. I've got more tricks. Watch some of the other videos. More tricks with this too. We shake it up. We put it on in a swirling motion like this. Plastic bag. Recycle. Circular motion like this. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm almost done. All right. So that's it. This surface has been treated. You can do the sides if you'd like. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. So this one's kind of dried out. The surface is crying, oil me please, oil me please. And this one's fresh and ready to go. So that's the difference. You can see it right there. I highly recommend you get the mystery oil and or the board cream. You just apply it like this, little circular motion. Yeah. I prefer to use a plastic bag. I'm just gonna put it on like this. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's looking good already. And this block has given me years and years of cutting, chopping pleasure. Primarily this one's used for serving fruits and cheese. You can see it sucking up the oil. Yeah, the oil protects it, it penetrates into the wood, and it makes it last for many, many more years. Looking really good now, yeah. The other side, same deal. It's crying for some oil. Oh, let's give it the oil. There we go. Okay, the oil is on there. Circular motion, let it penetrate. Doesn't take very long, a little effort, but this maintenance is very, very important. So if you need to score the oil, if you need to order the butcher block, I highly recommend you visit your sponsor. They have about 50 years of combined experience in butcher block, and wow, it's the good stuff. And get cooking again, it's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in butcher block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.